Everyone thinks the best-selling Wet Dry Shop Vac is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Craftsman CMXEVBE 17250. The Craftsman CMXEVBE 17250 caught my attention with its portability and solid price of $54.09. With a 4.5-star rating from nearly 10,000 reviews, it's a bestseller for good reason. If you want a lightweight, compact option for quick cleanups, this is worth a serious look. The fact that it also doubles as a blower is a nice touch, giving you versatility for those unexpected messes. The 114-inch accessories let you get into tight spots, which is a common issue with bulkier vacuums. Plus, it includes handy tools like a crevice tool and utility nozzle, making it ready to tackle various tasks right out of the box. Now, some people complained about its smaller capacity, saying it might not handle larger jobs well. Here's the thing though, if you're dealing with small to medium messes, this is perfect for you. It's designed for quick cleanups so you won't be emptying it constantly. This is perfect for you if you need a lightweight vac for small messes around the house or car. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can handle heavy-duty projects. For the price, it offers great value. Now, if the smaller capacity of the Craftsman CMXEVBE 17250 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, DEWALT 12-gallon DXV12P. Next up is the DEWALT 12-gallon Poly Wet Dry Vac, priced at $119. With a solid 4.7-star rating from over 5,400 reviews, it's built for serious cleanup tasks. If you need something that can handle large messes and still be portable, this is worth considering. The 12-gallon tank means less frequent emptying, which is a huge plus during big projects. It's also designed with durability in mind, able to withstand tough conditions, and its onboard accessory storage keeps everything organized while you work. Its bright yellow color is a nice safety feature on job sites too. However, some users noted that it can be a bit heavy to maneuver, especially when full. But honestly, if you're tackling larger jobs, that weight just means you're dealing with a more powerful machine and it's built to last. This is perfect for you if you're a professional or just someone who takes cleanup seriously. Skip this one if you need something ultralight for small tasks. The quality justifies the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a budget-friendly alternative. Product number 3, Amazon Basics 4-gallon Wet Dry Vac. The Amazon Basics Wet Dry Shop Vacuum is next on my list at a budget-friendly price of $62.99. With a 4.5-star rating from around 3,200 reviews, it delivers solid performance without breaking the bank. If you want a reliable vacuum for everyday use, this is definitely worth a look. It's equipped to handle both wet and dry messes, so whether you're cleaning up spills or dust, it's got you covered. Plus, it comes with multiple attachments, including a reusable cloth filter, which enhances its versatility. That said, a few users mentioned that the hose could feel a bit short for some jobs. Here's the thing though, with the right attachments, you can easily extend your reach, and many found it manageable for most household tasks. This is perfect for you if you need something compact for home use or light jobs. Skip this one if you're looking for a heavy-duty vacuum for large projects. For the price, it's a fantastic deal. Now, if you want something with a bit more power, the next option should catch your attention. Product number 4, Craftsman CMXEVBE 17595. The Craftsman CMXEVBE 17595, priced at $139.99, is a hefty 16-gallon shop vac that can tackle serious messes. With a 4.7-star rating from 8,500 reviews, it's built for heavy-duty work. If you need power for big jobs, this is your best bet. The built-in blower port is a great addition for clearing debris from your garage or yard. The oversized drain allows for quick liquid disposal, so you won't waste time emptying it out after every use. Now, some users have pointed out that it can be a bit bulky, which might not be ideal for everyone. But honestly, if you're working on large projects, that size and power are exactly what you want. This is perfect for you if you're into DIY projects or renovations. Skip this one if you need something portable for small messes. The investment is well worth it for the power and features. Lastly, if you want something right in between the heavy-duty and light-duty options, the next product might just fit the bill. Product number 5. Craftsman CMXEVBE 17590. Rounding out our list is the Craftsman CMXEVBE 17590, priced at $89.99. With a 4.5-star rating from 4,800 reviews, it's a solid mid-range option. If you need a balance of power and size, this may be the vacuum you're looking for. The Quick Lock filter system means you can change filters without hassle, which is a nice feature for regular maintenance. However, some users found the hose a bit cumbersome. Here's the thing, if you're prepared to put in a little extra effort, the performance you get is completely worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a dependable shop vac for various tasks around the house. Skip this one if you need something ultra-portable or compact. You get a lot for the price point. So there you have it. We've covered the Craftsman CMXEVBE 17250 for lightweight tasks, the DEWALT DXV12P for serious projects, the budget-friendly Amazon Basics option, the heavy-duty Craftsman CMXEVBE 17595, and the versatile Craftsman CMXEVBE 17590. Each one has its strengths, so think about what fits your needs best.